Well, every see enough of will be our cover of yourself from Nsemsem Dwumadze so on IDSG TV. When we send up here, but not see and some Massiciano, the HU mine on COVID-19, any Western region, and I day, bro. First case of COVID-19 in Western region has say penny for Amayati says no Nepakoni for China no buy intino a shock quarantine and if you fail muna Nanka Bibia okay but after the quarantine nature say almost I testing it is at the positive and until you back shama na name you be Eddie and Como na ye bisa or more. So far, no send any AC echo because I'm signing to and I say a bus here recorded one case in Penny team. Our mono or more share COVID-19 response team. I no more say issues nearby a banner made to me a general and as some report. But as I said, no, Penny to me, I contact tracing. I'm on 60 people. And I think say Penifone they are doing well, and we all praise. If I 60 record any positive case out of it, and I say any suspected case out of it. That's what we are hoping for. As in Penifone so good so one more air and sencheni air boa send your baby to me a coffee no. And also a Western Regional Minister, a Honorable Otreda Comensa, one no Jubilee Park and Opaya and say when you market women no air chair a face masks ne and near my air boa hand sanitizers near there a beboa ne to me a boy who buying if we COVID-19 so this to tell you say a Western Region Regional Minister and any team no more a year juma year and kasa. But then let's go to a same training and as a reporter Philip. Yeah, Philip one was Shama was on and work response team na yatin immediately to fight COVID-19 no worker and who be and Philip what me ka I mean what about some from my DSG TV Nsemsem Dwumadze so well nyame adom na wo so di ene
Yamiadum Oye.
Yeah,
Damra Workano, and Damra Sishano, in the Yabana Waba, Sishano, Hene, Mapain, and then the chief, I think our carbon, what they would have, and I saw this man conquer Ganamo, and Damra, so yes, America Crazy, and now you'll be at a technique hour, Ambanani, Nadi, Sisha, Upimo, Mangana, and for what time is Sishano, Shama, district. Chama district I am was electoral area. I am to parent that power friendly coastal parent. I am an Benuku, China Bay, and Danny, and the young double pay more Amaziciano, and the question now, Wabu, now, you have an illegal pay, and I'm in your military. I had 21st of March. And today, Warba, Wakasu Binibi, or Africa, assassin, no, more, among Conquanganum. Now, you, let's say, and your flip, Lancaster, member, our anti-boss lecturer, man, did the master need the crime, Bomazuna, 2 Monday. God, we never do. I want you to make a quarantine. Wabra, Uncle Message, Lebany, and then the pay more man conquer Ganima, Uncle to other spread my Opigala enemy, or Ghana, and it is the winter. The bomb was now, I honorable DC, I had to say, and then Nick in the full Michael MP, and Michael honorable at the comfort. And member, assembly member, definitely, honorable Kodo Woodley. I would now come to you. The one Mazala, I had March, no, I am Monday, we don't pay me, I have Saturday and a drink. It's a Saturday and a dinner to pay me, oh, Costa Quarren, and it can Sunday, no, with Fidela and Yajima, Zamara Anna, Monday, you could pay me and a panela. May I say, head the actress war Shama, this is assembly. We give up to Amma share, we take the temperature, the Bribia, and the Bribia temperature. Read correct. I get for that. And part the Libidella out them. but unfortunately, taking here, I was called Gucci. Anna, Sishana resort, and the book came with that. Papa, no, and the virus, maybe, and the question, many, Amma, who could pass when he had no one up, but Kaka make a day. And noble, could do and this is Mr. Joseph Amwa, Wayadi, and Shama head directory. And in there, you win a bench and income. Amma, to me, a quarantine income. If that should be allowed with them, no vacation. The mamma will be the land down to the 14 days. In your 14 days, 3 days, and a British water resort. Clan resort was the better. A bench and no virus, maybe. It's no question where did you know some? You could just say you could say that the young man and another Aka, the young one was in there. There be coronavirus, you could look at the balance for now, what then you better only know from one. The work against the mother, the member of the belly issue, they have one who could pay for one concordant. No matter what we are doing the other day. Yes, Bella, who does the piano. All your hope piano. Men that don't know much in there. Obviously, in the fast, you to my quarantine, you panel. I'm a second of the big until a becker or baby. The Mabry super about you couldn't over my concordant. It's whenever I am a question. The Mabry Shama had the actress, go to now a restaurant, work a kitchen. The last night of recommend some of that. Company decision was a Saturday. There 14 days now. Where you know in one quarantine way.
Company bear.
Costa Quarry.
Coastal Quarries.
Yeah, Costa Quarry.
I want to see a branch and was say, I want to know what year Juma.
I want to know yeah, also.
No way a penny, I know what shares our Coastal Quarries in Juma Kune so. Okay. It's a on the course of the way and start out to the operation Bella on Kodo. South Coastal Quarries on the den of me.
Never on Coco 71. Okay. Hello, mommy.
Maybe I said Coastal Quarries one. Then to the pledge, my teacher the Ben Pan or Muya or okay.
I have a question about and water.
Okay.
Aha. It's a Sisano, honorable DC, and honorable at the comfort. And now, Yakan Den. Assembly man, honorable movie. And then paying for the map, yet one in green. I regional minister, I come home with Mr. Orchard Nako. I know what one fashion as them. For Jumano Sisano, people Cassiana. One set the mother said, Mamma, or Precious Delan Codo, your friend, Costa, for only when you be. Yoko Westrock, what's the mamma when you juma? Yoko Pentagon, what's the mamma when you juma? The Maraso under your book construction, those what's the mamma when you juma. I'll send there. Drive now, Boko, now all quarter do or assistant, the location is the Queen. So in case I look at different company, I say Yabano or Letitia. You and Sibrian also an 10. My brother Yabano, Unkutu, Waspet, Western region. It's Munaba, and a pay a summer, and a champagne for the balcony, and my sister Yellow Shade, and my pepper, and now Shebella and Kagan and Member. And without winning.
Well, though, and Tisiano, contact trace money 71, yes, sir. Because as I know, assist.
We're taking one, our local, yes, sir, would now work to me, you in bed. What has no war on also one affect one, another one affect one.
And then, and no, my father is 71 samples. And yes, sir. Okay. And
so far, so good, low. I'm going to say, Oracle and the pay. And sitting there with the local good or Accra.
Or more the qua cry and no pay. I quack what you shim.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And you know, sisi ane shama ti say, baby, ya di ani yi ni tire na ti say, sisi ahono mo ti say.
And the question is the system of the dialogue the mama, Yelbano and Cassie. And the question is about opening your door, but also the working at the we just and then you saw there. Misa, I bet it would be ya. Young when you 1 week pool, no quarantine, maybe. While you should be there, Yelbano or back and uncle saying. It's when you're back, no one family breaker on next 14 days, no. Na you get your minad malan, a branch and Utuma Fayabana and Sabella, 14 days. The bottom you have your hand on.
Well, that is all what we are all hoping for, say. After the 14 days, you know, Bibia and Conco Beach, and every 71 samples, no, we take it to a cry, and then, no, your bomb by say, we are positive case, we are not say, a Bibia and Conco PM, or and one I am hoping for, and you know, no cray, and you know, I mean, Jawa has say, na. Woka response team no hui COVID-19 response team no hui na mesrawa bomodianfo adidi ekire ye ne update bia no maye hu ne ye se ne ebe ya amanfo de omokeka wabonten enkonkoye no kra de hu ehu eba be hye nipemu ne de ne ye enu edi free honom enti no owura Philip ye de wase anope won krato a wode amaye but ye be se aba honom emrepem aba beji update bia be cause we ba mesraw ye fro wa na wa pick amaye no amaye update ne so sani ebe yeso ye bodero ne tumi abodero ni ye na enkonko fa fear and panic bi enfa ma nyanuma ye western region ha say
bedasi damala so na menkodo na lefe that person kuma fama me etif de yankoda na za head directors what touch hanu say o say every 10 minutes down bomozo zo bokoko wonsa bomozo biano so you so a half sanitizer no biano ku biano so fa mo mama we Saja to phone phone. Jerry could be an amount.
It's my name is social distancing.
Always cover. And you I'm a young no, you two are prevent young or what you may yerba or record. No cry. My name
says, see, and I recorded case about quick crano. My name says social distancing. I was Shamati saying.
And the question is, never mechano. Obia Adanahodo, on Obiano Sicias, no, Bambano. Obiano Banoben, Okia, nose cover, our show gross, I want to hands for a guy that show to cook, Obinese, Sanabag, and the question is, I a crowd there, all of Banoben, Wabra, the me to wide, what affect Videla.
Okay, all right, roughly, better was in and repemuno, your best sign about one say update be so bad. Now am I so to me, I aware, near to me, am I. Ashofo mo hwe yen so etumi hu dia air course so e western region ha say why
you da say me show
nyami won shura won so edwuma pa ne de we say ye because eno na ya dia to mu say ye be ye nti no eno we say ye ebusua ensam no se na si air ne ade no na ye nya enkrato efri en nti na ma obia enye se wo be ha no ho anase wo be wiwi aha yenyina yenya abotire because empanifo etutu anamo omo he se bibia betumi akono se ne ebe wo se ebetumi abo yenyina na bibia so etumi aye fine but I'm still hoping to get Adomba on the line and you know Adomba aba ahomane so ye friend na mi se ne network no ayeyi kakra enuntina ye ko owura Philip honom no Adoma utimi ka no be ma wakwa abasonko fam radio TV
Nana metonka me da sebre
wow anti ebusia Emmanuel Smart amo Adomba aka Adomba ai ono ene ni tijo nkomo no wodi nani edi ekire shama ye rekodi one case no ene wo bo aprofi aguna ho eduma no nti wo bo aproba shama ebetie nsem se ne nema si ekodi ampanifo wo ye aha ni ade nyina nti no Adomba mayentie we sisi ano enema etisen wo koye no bibia etisen
Nana medase ma asafo nyina kwaba embra idea GTV Nana say I will see kind of pepe say over the weekend and anyenye nti say Western region are recorded its first case of COVID-19 coronavirus and na the case you know
Sama district to be specific, Anton Aboso quarry site there. Yes, for coastal quarries. Now, this is a Chinese national. Ofi. Otu Kwan now on the 21st of March, 2020. That 21st of March, now our borders were not closed. Our borders were closed on the 23rd by His Excellency the President. And when he came, for one year, but before that, Nana, Quarry site, there were 72 Ghanaians and 6 Chinese, and Juma Ewo. And see, also in the Chrome or Beno, Nimping for 1 year, Juma, who are also Chinese nationals, quarantined him for 14 days. And our ball, the emergency health response team, I was some other system, and they when you put 2 Wasan Waba, on the Yaban Wata, the show Chinese, they quarantined him. And so I said, I want to take an example. Now, one quiet test in case they were in Yabanibia. Now, after the 14 days, this guy didn't show any signs and symptoms of the virus, but his samples were taken. And the sample on the bed, now he was positive. And the pay my banner, we could do what your car recycle. Nana, the place is heavily guided by soldiers and policemen.
Wow.
I met 2 policemen and 4 soldiers. Wow. The entrance to the quarry site. So no one is allowed to go in and no one is allowed to come in. So these 72 workers are going under mandatory quarantine or your quarry site. And the weekend they are none of them will be employing qualify and will be answering to me call quarry site.
And the quarry site one munishem. One more honum, quarry site one more honum, the more. There's a wound to me free abonti mekano, but who honum many or ho. Wound to me free abonti mekano, what quarry site also and macro. Okay. Because of the situation. And it is sad here. Operation has been halted. The operation of the quarry site, halted. Now, if you want to be back home, and to Aboso, citizens will be doing come on. Now, Okomo and Queni, they are panicking because one guy didn't come out and say, driver or coffee Chinese free a little about quarry site or I am a downfall. On a tune city, on that story. And see, on to me, driver no any the boss in your contact on to me, but in case on your contact and I said, on one see a down for any day, on another, or my coming in contact, she said, or no, so anything. Many coffee didn't come on, and will come, although normal business activities are going on, but in also, Abomaka, make us the CIE. Sama district assembly head directorate. Many head director no about chicken komakaka and what say and a contact tracing started here. So they started a contact tracing of whoever this Chinese has come in contact with. Now you can say Antoine Bossofo should calm down. The situation is under control. Also, they have a lot of holding centers. You hold these suspected or people. And this particular Chinese is being held. One kasa the resident quarry site. They are managing him from that particular place. So there's no there's no cause for us to panic or to fear because everything is under control. And now, coastal quarry, the place is totally locked down. Soldiers and police have taken over the place. And see, that is what is on grounds now. That's that, and I say we should all calm down because the situation is under control. Okay. Well, I don't mean so. Nimpa 72 now. See, I know. Your quarantine when we have coastal quarries way. I mean, bisa, how are they being fed? Did you see anything like a place that they can sleep, they can have a better sleep or something? Because in this COVID-19, we were made to know, say, am I stressing and too much? We should make sure, say, comfortable sleep and all that. And you know, What do we share? Is there any good place for them to sleep? And now, on where you and dear money and dear moon show money and dear no sono, dear no muka found.
A very good question, Nana. Now, this same question, to Emma, head director, and what Mr. Osei SCP, Sama District Assembly head director, actually said, enough or rooms ever. Who these particular suspected people, and I say, quarantine, and they have enough places. But when you speak to the assembly member, Mr. We see Samuel, we see when they they are also saying that when you go to the quarry site, almost need enough rooms in the buildings. That is what Antoine Bosso and Manos said. It is not true that they have enough oil rooms for what you will do. But let me say this: when I went, I was not allowed to go in. Not picking up one thing. But also some of them, I said, or you going back to the room. So they have been quarantined, but not strictly said them. But I said, and yes, strictly said them by force. But the place has been coded off. No one goes in, no one comes out. And someone more it me Pia Bonti.
No, Pia Bonti. I dear, you say, oh, Boa one Kawa Noa. I bet to me Pia Bonti. Now, Cecilia will Pia Bonti, or being Castle Mu be as Swampa, dear. Now, so no, you himself a quarantine, then Kausha demo, and to be our demo on Ube Jaro by ning our demo. You are not supposed to come out to do anything. Ah, when Mamu Pia Monti, no quite no.
The situation I saw there, as I said, I saw two people walking around our compound, or these 72 people. I'm sure there are not only enough rooms are able to contain and because so they wouldn't want to put all of them at risk. But if I would take the words of the head director now, what he said was there are enough rooms while quarantine all these people. When I went there, I met the head response team on my quarantine, and I'm sure possibly they are going to take their samples to negotiate for investigations.
Yeah, response team in Bako, Eddie when I watch it say. We may take his nipa 72, no may take one samples and a pair. One more they call and crying aqua. And so I mean, Mr. I saw their phone. Are they in gloves? Are they in nose mask? Or they are because they are security men in Womuja one?
No, the police and the soldiers, they are not on hand gloves, but nose mask there. Or and nose mask almost gates now. But I didn't see any of them on hand gloves.
Social distancing is not my social distance, not my
for the security men I met over there, social distancing. Because we could now say, many commander meeting commander say, my friend, please, can you go back a bit?
Wow.
It's the social distancing.
Oh, okay. It's easy and a shama, a aboso, or maboto kakra. But if you look around that, we can record the case, Nibi Nasa down. Do you see, sir, Omo obey social distancing in particular? Mo obey, and I say, Omambo to Swampa, and so the Omoya no moye.
No, to a boss, I make call here. Omoka station up. Many guys need to be coding, and there's nothing like social distancing over there. Though you will make a bucket, AC, a bus stop or another bus terminal. So that precautionary measures we are taking it. I saw some of them was hand rubbing, alcohol, and sanitizers. But as to talk of social distancing there, and I didn't see anything like that. There's nothing like social distancing.
Well, you being a journalist, what do you think? What would you appeal to the authorities? So, na to me fighting COVID-19 with this 72 quarantine in Pono, the able to me I idea boa woman.
I'm sure that here and paying for
okay.
To mandatory quarantine these 72 people are. Coastal quarries. The only thing we can say is that they should do the contact tracing well as it has started. Because driver now offer Chinese boss from Elibono. He has a wife. If only wife, he might have a girlfriend. He has friends whom probably has come in contact with. And contact tracing is so we are suspected person or when I was head officers, because they wouldn't know who you come in contact with. So you have to tell them, so maybe I come here home, I come here home, I come here home, I come here home, so they can do that contact tracing. So the people under quarantine should really give accurate information to the health workers so they can do proper contact tracing. But Nana, who go and to a boss, they are scared. They are really panicking.
Oh. Well, we are hoping samples no media kono any case that is all that we are hoping for. Nya case biya dan eno there's no cause to worry, but Yakoba say bibisa aba na be problem. Enti well adoma my na wase bebre say what this an krato we e dey abreye. I hope say their impenifo ye ombe na bibia tumi akọ fine. Enti bo mo dey why can now betinem to bon ho ban. Why bon ho ban na?
I'm on my nose mask and I am on my hand gloves, but when I was about to enter head director my office, he just prompted me, said, yes, I'm well protected, but my fucker and my band, so that's why I said I should dispose of my hand gloves before I enter his office. So I took my hand gloves, I disposed it in a bin, washed my hands, sanitized before I entered his office. So when I was going to the quarry side, I was fully protected.
Okay. Yeah. So I don't my enda was here for we see her say bibi ni susu a ye be ma omo akuna so no omo so ati na se bibi timi aye fine. Well ebusanti no Emmanuel Smart amu aka Adomba ai ene etwetwe enkomo no but na me ka chew say honorable regional minister and dey no wakakopiem e o market circle Jubilee Park wono mu a ese woni edwedefo honom no di nkomo che nose mask na ade so dey ma wo but then we are trying all possible say ebetumi nya yensem training na che say etumi ne na twetwe nkomo anapei e na okokopie mu e wo honom ne market women ni bi di nkomo ne ade bisa wo mu say after the disinfection exercise no enema echo sen bibia akọ fine na che sankeni no edi nkomo e na sisi na regional minister so ewo ho no ma wo che yi niema no protective gloves na ade no dia enema eti echo entisa mensa enka no dia then I think say we'll proceed on it. Some herbalists for so ed wo mu issue e dia ba out say COVID-19 ye ka say boosting of the immune system enka ahan no enanka betumi aboa ye pa na nye sa abrofo no ya yanum ibia na so e kamia ye say aban eyi nani e de amasa herbalist for no e na ye de eyi na kwakosi abrofo no ne so enu nti no wa kire consensus bi afri sehwi e na wo kire say no de aban ne ye ne de kamia ye say wagya bibi e wo baby kakra nti wo mesere aban sanko be sanko na chi no akoko akofa ede aba enti no before that no so no eno ada me producer ye Gabriel Frimpong wo bo hwi eko Alam Beach eko twitwamfoni bi so ede maye efa sene nkofo di social distancing no so ana se ama aban hihye ye se mo bi anko beach no sene mufo mo yatoye mantemu ha se di so eno nti no video ni me cameraman be o me show video na de akyereye ni ye hu sene nkrofo even Easter emre yi mu ye di Easter ni ade nyina holidays nyina no temufo mo atoye mantemu ase edwosie ayoyo and I really applaud them for what they are doing because se akoba ni so muso so ya din a ti say choko sa choko nkofo no mko beach no sa story na beda wonum na enka Western region se mebrena na ebekọ so ewa ha se batekame say wo mo edwosie edayoyo mo tie dia mpenifo ekire wo mo se wo mo enye no enti mi producer call no kwatwa mfoni edeba se na mfoni na etwegu no sa pepepe e na ekọ so ewo Alam Beach ho no abra mi producer obomodin a wo kọ honom na woni na adbo mpenifo e na ekọ honom e no wo mo kire se as a mobile any the ometumi akasa western region for no wo mo ade ye pa na se koba ne se ebi etumi aye asodin anase o mebu di emna na ye de ahye wo mo se wo mu ni so no so a eno so penalty wo hono ma ye de be masa enkrofo wenum James Wabin Junior no ono eno e nadmo director o western region ha say eno one me producer ye Gabriel Fumpon atwetwe nkomo eno wo kire ne mu se di ankofo ye nani aso ye pa but wo besere se hihye ye de ama wo mu se wo mu ni so no wo mbedi so nti wo hafo ni etwegu market circle na foni ni etwegu no ha enti ma yanko ne nadmo director ne nkasa ne interview ni yembo interview ni enti nsem bebre waka de fa ho.
First of all, let's thank the STMA COVID-19 task force. Since the inception of this pandemic, we've been working hard to make sure we have social distance or physical distance. We also make sure that people don't get closer to the beaches. As we stand here, this is a place called Alam Beach. We were here last week, we closed it down, and they've complied with it. You see the military personnel all over here. And we are making sure that we touch every place in Sekenita Quarry. Even those who play football on the football parks, we were there. We follow them Saturday, Sunday, and make sure that we clear all of them. And I think they are all interested. They are also happy that such an exercise is ongoing because per their responses and their demeanor, it shows clear that everybody is aware of the disease, but it's only that they are trying to be a little stubborn. But when we interact with them, they understand and comply. So that's what STMA is doing. So for me and NADMO, we appreciate what STMA has done so far, and we continue to appreciate that. And the public, we need to keep on educating. The most important thing is to educate the public because, yes, 90% of the public are aware of the pandemic, but still, like social distancing is the major problem of the public. For now, the hand washing and other things are being practiced without no compliment. But the social distancing is the problem now. And I believe with our education and the team, the task force, with the military and the rest, people will comply. Yeah, of course, you know, human beings as we are, some of them will not be happy with it, but that is the law. So once you have been asked not to come to the beach and you come, they have the right to arrest you. So if two people have been arrested, it's up to them.
Well, ebusia enunti na ye nadmo director ma to emante mu ase no ene ne atwetwe nkomo no sena meka ne ye prayer sanke ne ensem twoni Selina abetwetwe nkomo na nsem se na homa no enhyeda entutomu sa emfa ma ye but then let's go to seshi ho na herbalist ba ko kire mu se sena aban esie yi ne ne de ama omo ye omo de ahahan ye nuro no enya de a ekoyie papa enti no wo mesra ban se wo hwe no wonye bibi emfanfa ho na mboa no mu enu mu ye no eboa papa ye e wo man ni mu enu na tumi boa ma tumi busi immune system ni ade enti aban enhwe na wonye bibi emfanfa ho emaye emse ono sna homa no entomu de ne ye konkwaje nkrato na ye ba ye beto ansem ne so na ye de amu bibia wo hwe news na ono so ehu dia koso.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idin we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa sort ye desert, lufes, lipes na de. Say pemu works na da ebo Emmanuel into brackets Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun e pemu location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Well, I wish I was some more cover soon could be on Fambra and Nsemsem Dwumadze so on Ideas GTV. Looks like Nsemsem Dwumadze no ne phone no and beno and till me friend won fa but my main country say asat and ne anope no yenya na ntie say nipa 10 and o free mu but nipa 17 and o marry cover from the COVID-19. So I think sir it's a great news that we all have to applaud the Ministry of Information, Ghana Health Service, and Jumeku Omokan for the great work that they are doing to help fight COVID-19. But before that, I'm call Facebook now, and you know my journey on Facebook, no entry and come abra ye gusu a ye try say yen sabeka ye nsem chofo no na o mama ye report on what is going on currently at Jubilee Park no their regional minister warrior Nana Asante Konto was say good morning Nana and good morning to the entire crew of Ideas TV. The recording case in Shama calls for a meticulous care and then to adhere to the laid down protocols enshrined in the models for COVID-19. As Ghanaians, we should be a bit disciplined and act with consciousness as far as this COVID-19 is concerned, and also Asante Konto Nana and our dear Rainbow Montessori International School one and administrator at the mass school no na sema wade abano no shama for mumbo modern social distancing in particular mobedi so edi amayen Isaac Obi also say God bless Ideas TV. God bless you too for watching with us. Nyami won show bebrebe. So when share. I've told you that because of the Easter holidays and then as part of fighting COVID-19 so say programs no yebe to me are kono. Daniel Mauli Agbesi or say good morning Anama. Kudos for the good work doing in the metropolis and the nation at large. Really proud of you. Thank you so much, sir. I'm Daniel Mauli Agbesi, NDC Mpoho Constituency Communication Officer. Thank you so much, sir. You manage the senior marshal and the sign I was saying. For Sukweku, I say extend my greetings to Honorable Joseph Kujo from Mema Obiara. Mema Obiara Dadao. Okay, fine. So, Honorable Joseph Kujo, Sonko Emma from for Sukweku. Or say, extend my greetings to my boss. Opare inside news site. Okay, so no, fine. Tiano, Madam Abuna Boche. Okay, so what? And then incoming chairman Honorable Anderson. We feel okay, so. At a big ups Ideas TV and you know the so they try Facebook no ya be ko so na ya try say sabeka Nsem chof en sanka omo a ya be sorry so na ya bomodin apu akọ market circle Jubilee Park na ya kwa hwe de regional minister ne penifo wo mo wo honom enti no Nsemsem Dwumadze so no aha ene de nsem ne nyina ebesie na cinema ka no ye sorry so a na yakọ Jubilee Park de regional minister wo ye no na yakọ akotoa so wo hono yakopon ya ma ochina ye be sense nkonwa wo studio ha se ne de na etwegu wo Western Region as part of case na ya record no de penifo ne nyina na ya mo bibia wo hwe Ideas TV no neni etumi ehu bi mamenda me MC ase se o mutemia no mutumi ta mechi na o man fidie ni nyina ye adwuma kama na menu mie na etumi ye hwe nsem a ekoso e wo man ni mu e na wo bia so wo hwe me no so nya me wo show Jericho Amoa ya me cousin ba ko wo se wudi enewa woda nya me wo show bebe na won to kwem on fa fofo enfa nka wa fe ho na iska no so emra bebre because me here bebre me din eda na amabo edi wa ha anya de Nsemsem Dwumadze ne nde edi besie yankopon ya ma ochina ya besan so atenase